The National Blend of Models, or NBM, will be upgraded to version 3.1 in July 2018. The upgrade results in important changes in 6 areas. The information provided here is for both CONUS and OCONUS domains, unless otherwise indicated. New components in the NBM include 9 weather models, including ECMWF deterministic and probabilistic forecasts. These components will improve the NBM deterministic and probabilistic forecasts. NBM version 3.1 will blend higher resolution versions of the GFS, GEFS, Global Data Assimilation System, and Canadian Global Deterministic and Ensemble models. Increased resolution will add detail to the forecasts. Furthermore, the resolution of the gridded MOS, or GMOS, and Ensemble Kernel Density MOS, or EKD MOS, will both change to 2.5 kilometers, eliminating errors associated with interpolation between grids. New aviation elements addressing convection and wind shear will be available over CONUS and OCONUS domains. New fire weather elements addressing stability, wind, and lightning will be available for all domains. Marine forecasts will now include significant wave height from WaveWatch 3 for CONUS and OCONUS waters, as well as the Great Lakes Wave Model. Probabilistic products will be generated for wind speeds, wind gusts, 2-meter temperature, visibility, and mean sea level pressure. Water and winter elements for CONUS and Alaska will include 1-hour and 6-hour snow and ice amounts, probability of precipitation, QPF, and 12-hour probability of thunder. Alaska will now receive all winter weather products, and Hawaii will get snow level as its only winter weather product. The Blend version 3.1 will use a new user-verified NSEP algorithm for snow-to-liquid ratio, or SLR, incorporating research on max temp aloft versus SLR. QPF bias correction, the 13-kilometer CCPA is replaced by the 2.5-kilometer IRMA. The higher resolution analysis should improve QPEs in areas with topographic forcing. NBM wind speeds show less mean absolute error through a switch from domain average to grid point by grid point bias correction. Wind gusts are improved, particularly in the mid-range, using direct model output rather than an assumed relationship between average wind speed and wind gusts. MOS-like text bulletins will now be available for over 3,000 stations, with forecast elements taken from the nearest NBM grid point. 4 text bulletins are produced every hour and include NBH, hourly to 24 hours, NBS, 3 hourly to 66 hours, NBE, 12 hourly to 192 hours, and NBX, 12 hourly from 204 to 264 hours. The only difference in products sent via SBN and NOAA port is a slight decrease in products delivered at 19 UTC. This was done to accommodate the increased computational load. In summary, version 3.1 of the NBM includes more global, mesoscale, and ensemble components, increased spatial resolution of some components, new and improved weather elements applicable to aviation, QPF, winter, fire, and marine weather forecasting, significant wave height for CONUS and OCONUS waters, along with the Great Lakes, improved bias correction, MOS-like text products for short, medium, and long-range forecast projections, shortened NBM forecast projections delivered at 19 UTC via the satellite broadcast network.